Okay, this is an oddly satisfying popping. I don't even know how to say this. Chert nodule. I don't know anything about this other than I watched the clip and I do believe it is oddly satisfying and unexpected.
Is there sound?
You watched this clip?
Yes.
Okay.
Is that fair? You wish
No,
that I
no.
didn't? I couldn't have.
Usually you don't watch the videos.
I wouldn't have submitted it because it's too vague.
Oh, right,
Like
right.
it could have been anything. Like I can't. It would have been really. Maybe we should have an absolutely random submission on this show, to which we really have no idea. But it is risky.
It is
for obvious reasons.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's called popping a chert. It could be shared, but anyway, chert nodule.
Have you looked up what this is?
No.
Okay.
Well, the top comment describes it.
Oh,
and you can go there after, but essentially we have a man. I'm just going to describe roughly what's going on. We have a man in a rocky environment, and he's chipping away at what looks like slate stone. It might be something different, but that's what it looks like. And he's chipping away until he finds this rounded, this circular kind of formation. And so you can play it.
Is there sound?
Yes, there's sound. You can turn it up because the sound is also satisfying. It's like this crackling rock. He has a chisel.
Oh, what is that?
It's just like this spherical nodule.
Inside the rock?
It's an alien.
Okay.
Yeah, inside the rock, yeah.
Whoa.
So he gets it loose,
Cool.
and it's a
it a
very
jump scare?
kind of strange object,
Oh, he's gonna break it?
and then he's gonna break it. Bang. And then inside, it's this perfectly formed material.
Whoa. It's like a pastel gray. It's a nice gray, actually.
Yeah, it's a very smooth, clean break. I think it almost breaks perfectly 50-50 as well, like a sandwich.
Cool.
And yeah, it's like a little orb. It's very weirdly satisfying. But if you go to the top comment, there's a rough explanation of what we're looking at. The nodule is the remains of silica shells belonging to ancient microorganisms, and they appear in limestone and other metamorphic rock. Ancient microorganisms. Man, rock is wild. The planet is wild. Mars is wild. Human beings are wild. Celebrity status is wild. Doing this show every day consistently is wild. Hitting new records for broadcast time is wild. Willie Doo going through every single emotion possible during this broadcast is wild.
A wild ride.
Dog tacos in the bathroom is wild.
It's a good time.
Mo's expectation that I would think it was completely normal is wild.
Yeah.
It's all wild.
there, right?
But if we got to be wild, let's be wild together. Thank you.